Did you guys know you can buy Goyard straight from the store without going into a store, from the comfort of your own home, in bed, online, no lines, no having to travel to a store location, no having to wait in line, no having to deal with people in the store or an essay. Just have it delivered right to you. Never have to leave the house. Delivered right to you. That's right. Here's the proof. Let's talk about it. There's 2 ways to do this. Let's talk about it whilst we unbox the delivery that I just got for you. Goyard Guru here for you. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're going to do a Goyard unboxing whilst we talk about ordering Goyard from the store but not having to go to the store. Boo. Okay, let's talk about it. There are 2 ways to do this. One is directly through the Goyard website. They have a section called distance sales, and basically you just fill it out, email them, fill out the form, email them what you want, and somebody from the company will contact you via email. It might take some time. They're pretty slow about it, but it might take some time. They'll contact you, ask you what you want, and then check availability to your nearest store, and then they will either order to your nearest store, connect you to your nearest store's email, or whatever, and then have it shipped to you. And I think it used to be free, but now the shipping is either $30 or $60, I think, depending on how fast you want to get it. So that's the first way, and that's super easy. Or you could do it if you have an SA contact, if you've been to a Goyard store, if you have their email, or the store's email, you can just email them directly or text them or email them directly and ask for something to be purchased and delivered to you. And then you just do it through the process. Do it that way, and they will tell you what's available, and then they will, pay by link, all those kind of things, and then have it shipped to your address. I think the one thing is your address and your name and everything has to match up to your credit card. It has to be like all the same person. It can't be anything different. Okay? That's the first way. The second way, which I think a lot more people know, and is a lot easier, is to order it through Bergdorf. Bergdorf is the only place now outside of Goyard in the US. There's Printemps in Paris where you can buy Goyard like at a department store. There are limitations though. They only have your classic bags, your St. Louis, same thing as Printemps, your St. Louis, your Artois, like all the totes, all the wallets, all the small leather goods. I don't think they have any travel stuff. They don't have any luggage, and they don't luggage travel trunks, anything limited edition or new launches or anything like that. They usually don't have. It might come later, but I think it's just the classic things in the classic colors, no limited edition colors or anything like that. But it's very easy if you want to get it. And with Bergdorf, for example, you can just call, or if you have a sales associate's contact info, or if you've gotten them, call or text, order it, and then it ships out the next day and it's here in a day. It takes like less than a day, and it's free shipping, not like Goyard. Free shipping, so you're saving, and it's the same price as the store. So something to look into if you want. Now let's unbox, okay? I was supposed to do this while I was talking about it. Whatever. So when you get it from Bergdorf, it comes Bergdorf paper, Bergdorf box. Very nicely packaged in their custom, the regular silver box with the Bergdorf and the purple ribbon. Okay, just okay. What it is? We know what it is. Another one of these munchkins. Can never have enough. That's not true. You can't have enough. I just don't need them. It's for someone else who does. Surprise, surprise. Bicycle. Surprise, surprise. Yeah, maybe as you know, my next India trip's coming up at the end of the year, so you gotta start stocking up on that Goyard. I'm so tired of it. But YOLO, right? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna talk about it. So it's super easy to get it directly from them. And they even gift package for you, which I'm gonna have to repackage it now. I'll bring the box and stuff and check it in the bag and carry on so that I can gift it when I'm there. You know what I mean? Wrap it up properly, because I'm an expert at reboxing on this unboxing channel. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. I hope that was informative. Yeah, super easy to get both ways. I think Bergdorf is a little easier, so I would go that way if you can. It's the same price, it's the same everything, it's the same bag. So yeah, all right, hope that was helpful. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.